Hi guys, Dempsey here, and welcome to your 10-minute beginner ab/core workout. I am really excited for today's workout because I've gotten quite a few questions on how to keep your lower back flat against the mat during ab exercises, specifically during lower ab exercises. And so this is a great workout to build strength up towards that. And I'm also just going to be giving you some cues on how to work towards that. For today's workout, we're going to be doing 10 different exercises. We'll be working for 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, and it's a no repeats workout, so we are just going through that one time through. As always, please take this workout at your own pace. If you don't feel like you can keep up with me, that is totally okay. This is your workout. Listen to your body and do what works for you. Without further ado, let's get into it. So our first exercise is going to be dead bugs, and love this one. We're gonna come onto our back, knees up and tabletop. We're gonna extend opposite arm and opposite leg nice and long, come back, and then other side, nice and easy. So this is a really good exercise, here we go, to work on keeping that core, that back against the mat rather, the entire time. And you're just moving through this really, really slowly and taking your time. I want you to focus on drawing your belly button down. So that's gonna not only engage your core, but it's also gonna keep your mat flat against, your back flat against the mat rather. Ooh, one coffee wasn't enough today. The entire time. So rather than just moving through this, we're making sure that we're engaging that core. Nice work. All right, so next up, we're gonna come onto all fours and we're gonna move into some bird dogs. So shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. We're gonna work one side. So we're gonna extend opposite arm, opposite leg, nice and long. Pause, back, and then repeat, nice and easy. So here we go. So extend nice and long. We're trying to keep our torso stable the entire time, so we're not rocking side to side. The longer you pause with that arm and that leg out long, the more difficult this is going to be. And if you want to make this a little bit more challenging, we can bring elbow to knee and not take a break in between each rep. And again, I want you to draw your belly button up and into your spine. And rest. Nice work. You can sit up, roll your wrists out a little bit, roll your shoulders out, and then we're going to repeat that on the other side. Here we go. So extend nice and long, little pause, and then back down. So with all of these exercises, with any ab exercise, keeping your core engaged the entire time, making it an active exercise is going to make it so much more difficult, but also so much more beneficial for your core strength. Nice work. All right, so next up, we are going to come on to our backs. We're going to do some alternating toe taps. So I want you to bring your knees up into tabletop. Once again, belly button down, back against the mat. We're going to tap one toe and then tap the other toe. So it's not much of a movement here, but the real challenge is keeping your back against the mat the entire time. So we're drawing down with our abs. Now, if this is a little bit too hard for you, hands can come under your hips. It's going to make it a little bit easier. And if that's still too much for you, you can always just hold up in tabletop and engage that core, press your abs down. And breathe. And if we want to step it up a level, we can just lift up. Nice work. All right, so next up we're doing a modified bicycle crunch. So feet are flat, and we're gonna bring opposite elbow to knee, come back down, opposite elbow to knee, come back down. Nice and easy here. I love this because this exercise gets into your lower abs, upper abs, and your obliques, so it's kind of a total core exercise. And I tell a lot of my beginner clients, just make sure you're looking straight up. So with abs, people have a tendency to strain their neck forward a lot. We want to be looking straight up at the ceiling so that that cervical spine stays nice and long. Nice work. All right, so next up we're doing a set of crunches. We're gonna place our hands on our thighs, and then we're just gonna run our fingers all the way up until our fingers reach our knees, and then we're gonna come back down. Nice and simple here. So fingers up the knees, and then back down. If you can't quite reach fingers to knees, we can just come part way up. This is another good exercise too. Draw your belly button down, press that back into the floor, and then try to keep it there the entire time. Exhaling as we come up, and then inhaling as we come back down onto the mat. Inhaling as we come back. Nice work, team. All right, so we're gonna do some bent knee leg raises. So this is a good lower ab exercise to build strength up. So we're gonna have our hands underneath our hips, nice big bend in our knees, and we're gonna come down, tap, and then come back up. So the straighter that your legs are, the more difficult this is gonna be. So adding a nice big bend into those knees is gonna help a lot. Breathing into those lower abs. Nice work, guys. All right, we're gonna do some oblique crunches next. So rolling onto your side, knees, hips, and feet stacked. I like to use my extended arm as a little bit of a pillow, and then we're just gonna crunch up and then come back down. Up and down. Not too many cues for this one. As you start to build up strength, try to focus less on pushing into your arm and more on using your abs to lift up. Last ones here. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, gonna repeat that on the other side. We got this one more, and then we are done for the day. Last ones, and rest. All right, so our last exercise is going to be a bear crawl hold. So we're gonna come back into that tabletop position. So we've got shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. You're gonna curl your toes under, and we're just gonna lift our knees up off the ground, and we're gonna fold there. So just a couple inches up off the ground. We're looking a couple inches in front of our fingers so that once again our neck stays nice and long. And try to zip those abs in. So draw that belly button up into your spine. Hold and breathe here. Definitely feel this one a little bit in your thighs, your arms, your wrists. Last little push of the day. Breathing and staying with me. We've got 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down and rest. Nice work, guys. Thank you guys so much for working out with me today. I really hope you enjoyed today's 10-minute beginner ab/core workout. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up down below and let me know in the comments below what type of workouts, videos you guys would like to see in the future. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!